got a serious breach. Somebody forgot to put the coil wire back in the coil.
We got spark.
Damn thing's got some fire now, don't it?
Oh yeah.
Hey, see what you got to say. Yep. What the frogs? Sure this thing's got gas? I don't hear that pump doing nothing. I don't smell nothing. I don't think it's that ain't fuel. Check it again, Emil.
Hi, Captain.
Should be real close if you just snug that distributor down so it don't move right where it's at. So you get it really running. Okay? Okay. It's alive!
All you had to do was touch it, Emil.
That's it. See, the magic touch. Joe knows.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Seems to happen anytime you're around.
No sarcasm in his voice at all.
Magic touch. It seems to happen every time he's around.
Let me crank it one more time.
Okie dokie. Yeah, man, it do it. You got any of the vacuum ports plugged off on that carburetor and stuff? Okay. Hit it. Sure you got the firing order right? Try it now. Hold on a second. Okay, boss. Let me move this distributor up just a little bit more. Give it another shot there. Yep.
Valve covers on where it ain't slinging oil all over the place like it's doing.
Where's that going from?
Oh.
It's coming from the hose.
Yeah.
Transmission hose.
Is that the transmission hose? Yes, it is. To the radiator.
Yep.
Yep.
Must not be much fluid in it, otherwise it would spray it up the driveway. Yeah, it went through the radiator cooler.
Yep.
Yeah.
Very good, Herr Gibson.
She might be
Smiling?
raised up a
happy.
little bit more.
I'm content to.
We got one valve that's sticky. Yeah, she'll probably clean up that.
Got plenty of oil.
Did it pump it up?
Oh yeah, plenty of oil. Very good. Dropped a little bit on the.
Well, now, I'd filled that up. Is it-
No, it's coming from there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's dripping. Oh yeah, oil the tires, Fred.
Holy cow, yeah, it's got it all the way up top. Okay, well, we finally got the radiator on the Bronco, cranks up, runs like a champ. had a small problem with a head leak. I didn't know it when the motor was pulled apart. There was emission parts pulled off of it. Well, I kept hearing it sound like a header leak, but what it was, where the emission stuff was pulled off. So I plugged them up. This thing runs like a champ now. It's all together, and it should crank right up. I moved it out here because what we're doing is getting ready to get the Thunderbird, the 56 Thunderbird, to go racing the 20th. And I want to get it all done by the first week of this month, and then I can go back to work on this.
So tell me about some of these parts here, Fred. We got the carburetor. Looks nice, clean fuel and everything. Did we ever get that fuel leak fixed?
Yes, the fuel leak is fixed, and it's done. Put the stock valve covers on it until I get the good ones that are coming in. They'll be here around the 10th of October, and then we'll put them on there. And a couple other little things that I got to do. I got to get a fitting that'll bring this down a little bit where I can put the air cleaner on it. And once I do that, the whole front end of the motor will be completed.
What if you just put a longer piece of hose that can droop?
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
You want to make it look like,
Yeah,
you know.
I want to do it right.
Okay.
Okay.
How about these wires?
Oh, outstanding wires. These are Advanced Auto Parts cheap wires. I think they were 22 bucks for the set. They fit perfect. They come with the grease on them on both ends. They fit. They look like they go on it. And they're 6mm wires, which was plenty big in the 60s and when this car was built, motor was built. So I'm sure it's good enough for this also. We put an MSD box on it, and because we couldn't figure out the right Ford one to get that would plug into this distributor, and this is a stock distributor, and when we fired it up, it was shooting flames about 2 inches. So looks like that's, and it does work good. So we got it all together. We got everything on it. Still got some header leaks, which these old headers leak. It doesn't matter what you do to them. So that's where we're at with this. So I'm going to see if this thing will crank.
Let's hear it.
Without me getting in it.
Wow. That's smooth. That was just touching the key, huh?
Yes.
Wow.
Get in the car. But you can hear it. The header leaks.
That's a smooth and torquey motor though, huh?
Yes, it is.
Even with that little header thing, it still sounds great.
Yeah. I think that pocket back to the carburetor against the header leak.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to square that away, but run straight holes on